Hey guys, Steve Welch, Beamer Toyota here again. I was going to show you something. I actually had a customer call me this and ask me about this. They said they installed something in the back of their car and they're trying to back up and the car wouldn't let them back up. This is also something that occurs in car washes. There's something on your new Camry. It's called intelligent clearance sonar. What the intelligent clearance sonar does is it actually watches for you to be about to hit something. When you're about to hit something, the car will automatically apply the brake for you, and it will attempt to hold it to stop you from bumping into something in front of you or behind you. So that's a great option to have if you're distracted, maybe come off the brake pedal, something like that, and you didn't know you were going to do it. That's a great feature. The problem with it is going through something like a cloth car wash where it hangs something in front of the car, it tricks the system. Or if you hang like a bike rack or something like that in the back of the car, it tricks the system into thinking that you're about to hit something. So your car will literally vibrate and pulsate the brakes, trying to stop you to keep you from hitting whatever that thing is. In order to avoid that, you have to actually shut it off. Now what I'm going to show you here, I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you look, this one's a hybrid, so it might look a little different. You might not have this side of it if you don't have the hybrid, but your center screen will be the same. So if you look here, you're going to notice we have this circular button right here. This will come into play for you here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the down button here. When I do hit the down button, you're going to see I come from, this is the eco, I went back up. This is the eco and fuel economy. You come down, this is your driving support. This is how you turn on your cruise control or your lane departure from here. If you chose to, you could do that. There's other ways to turn it on as well, but that's what this particular menu is for. This is the energy monitor. This is actually on the hybrid, so you might not have this on yours. But you're going to come down to settings. So there's different menus depending on the car, but this settings menu will look like this. Keep in mind, this is on your XLE or your XSE. And then what you're going to see is this is actually your lane departure. This is how you actually can turn off your pre-collision system. This is your blind spot monitor if your car's so equipped. Rear cross traffic alert if your car's so equipped. And then this is your intelligent clearance sonar. If you select this, so I hit the center button right there to select it. If you select it, you're going to get the option to turn off the ICS. If you turn off the ICS, you're going to hit this button right here. That will disable the system. Now if you notice right here, the off came on. That is going to, like I said, disable that system to where it's not working for you. To turn it back on, you just hit your center button again. You're going to come back on. It's going to ask you again, do you want to turn it on? You hit yes. Everything goes back to the way it was, and your safety system is turned back on. Like I said, there are reasons you will have to turn that off, and it's mainly going through a car wash, something along those lines. If for some reason you had something tied to the front of your car, I've seen people put bows on the front of their cars for like Christmas time. That could also disrupt that system. What I can show you is if you look at the front and the rear of the car, which I'll get out here for us. At the front and the rear of the car, you'll notice these little buttons that are here, which you can see one right here. So these buttons, you've got 4 of them on the back. You've also got 4 of them on the front. It's one of the ways to know if your car is equipped with this. So you've got additional ones down here on the front, in the grill, and on either side. So if you have those on there, you probably have the intelligent clearance sonar. Actually, you will have the intelligent clearance sonar. And if you were to hang a bow, obviously looking at it, if your bow came down right here and hung over this sonar, it's going to think something's in your way. And you're not going to have the best driving experience. So you'd have to shut it off that way. Hope this helped. Definitely let me know if you have any questions, comments, and we will talk to you soon.